Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to use ChatGPT for learning a programming language in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is of course head over to ChatGPT and sign up for an account. If you do not have an account, then of course you can sign up for one, or you just log into your account and follow along. So first of all, ChatGPT is one of the best tools out there if you're a self-taught programmer, if you're looking to go into programming for the first time, and of course you don't know how to go about it. What I will do is to pick a trending technology. Let's say, for instance, let's ask a question as to what are the top programming languages for application development. Or let's say you want to go into something like robotics, but let's just go with this. As you can see, the first result we have here is of course JavaScript. We have Python, JavaScript, Kotlin, and a couple of others including PHP. Now so we'll just go with Kotlin, right? We'll go with Kotlin, and I'll say let's see, generate a full 6, well, it depends on how long, let's just do 3 months curriculum. Oh well, course outline, curriculum / course outline for Kotlin, rather, for learning and using Kotlin from an absolute beginner. You want to include the fact that you're an absolute beginner, of course. I think there's a bug in the spelling. Yeah, beginner, right, period. All right, so include daily challenges and of course exercises. Right, so boom, let's see what results we get. And as you can see, we are greeted with a lot of right, so introduction to Kotlin, week 1, day 1 down to day 5. And you can of course be specific as to the arrangements, well, you can be really specific with this, right? You can be like, all right, 3 days a week, 2 days a week, 2 weeks a month or thereabouts. So it's basically what you are, it depends on what you're looking for, and let's say how much time you will be able to put into this, right? So we're going to go from being an absolute beginner and asking silly questions as to what exactly Kotlin is and how to set up an environment, and we will be going to developing projects and of course advanced Android development concepts and some other stuff like that, right? So basically that's it. We can go on to, so yeah, that's basically how to use ChatGPT for learning programming languages. And based on individual topics, you can I can copy this and say, let's just type this, and we can say generate a full introduction to Kotlin. Right. So hopefully you get what I mean. But this isn't meant to be a complete tool for you to use for learning programming or learning a particular language. It's just meant to be part of the tools you will be needing. It is recommended, of course, to add the knowledge you learn here by using the information you find on ChatGPT alongside other resources out there. Alright, so that's basically it for this video on how to use ChatGPT for learning programming in 2024. And yeah, if this video did give you some insights or tips on how to go about the process, then feel free to leave a like on the video, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in another video.